So in my next DIY, I'll tell you to how to upcycle your old mobile phone cover. So because nowadays everything is so fancy, people tend to keep changing it. So instead of changing it, you can refurbish it. So I'll be using again my Mod Podge for this. I have done a coating of gesso on this, and I'll be using Mod Podge and a napkin print, which is anchored. So I need only this much of it. So first of all, I'll cut it in cut it a little broader, 1/4 of it. So I have cut it, and now I'll position it. I mostly want it somewhere here. So I want my cover to look like this at the end. So now what I'll do is, again I'll take out the extra, put some honey in. See, so I have removed these two layers and I have got this first layer of the napkin. So now what we'll do is, and remember this is plastic, so I am not using my hot glue gun. So I'll put this Mod Podge, very thin layer of Mod Podge. Just over. And don't put too much because it will be very smudgy then, and there are chances of the tissue paper to get damaged. So this is done. Now what I'll do is, as I will paste my tissue paper the way that pause it in between. Actually I forgot to get one thing. So now since this is very thin, what I'll do is, I have pasted a plastic and now I'll use the pressure. This is a very good way of avoiding wrinkles in your decoupage, as well as getting a smooth without sticking finish. See, this is all done. Now I'll just put a little bit heat. Always before using your sandpaper, please make sure that it is dried properly. Then only it will. The edges which is not dried, you can apply a bit of Mod Podge and stick them. See, I'm doing that. This is where. This is stuck properly. This side is one where and then this side is also done. Now I'll just let it be to dry for some time. So this is dried now. I'll just cut the edges. whenever you're cutting the edges, please make sure you're cutting it towards the outside, outwards of the thing. See. Sandpaper, if handled properly, works like a magic. Such fine cutting. See. And we are done with one side. Coming to the second side. And we are done. See, so this is our basic thing. Now what we'll do is, first of all, we'll cut the camera, because for we ladies, camera is everything. Camera is probably more important than Kamali Bai. सेल्फीज कैसे खींचेंगे? So now we'll do same way towards the side which is not required. We'll do it. We are done, just some fine edging. And we are done with this also. So before we go for our final thing, which is the gloss thing, you guys must be thinking why I have not covered this side. This is because we put our cords and charging points and all. So what we'll do for this is, these 2 points is, we'll take a color. I'm using chalk paint. You can use whatever color you have. So we'll take this and apply with dry brush. Chalk paints normally don't need too much of water, so we'll just do and we'll smudge it into the print. And we're done with one side. We'll do a little bit all the sides so that the uniformity is there. Just like how you do shading. See, this is done. And we are done with this side also. Just to maintain the uniformity and the look, we are done with this one also. Now we'll dry it up. Dry it up a bit. Since this is plastic, I am just giving it a hot air. So now this is completely dried, and now I'll apply, for little gloss, I'll apply Mod Podge gloss. A very fine coat of Mod Podge gloss. Now I'll apply a very fine coat of Mod Podge. If you don't have this, you can use any varnish which is available, readily available in local market. Only thing is, make sure that the varnish is waterproof. We are done. I'll let it dry a bit. And see, this is done. Is it giving the glossy effect? So in 10 minutes from old to new.